channel. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I've got this bottom, and I don't know if you can see, this top is what goes to this, but I wanted to use it kind of for something else, because this is ugly, you know, if you could see in here, it's rusted. So I was thinking about putting this mirror inside and making it more of like a you know, what do you call it? Tray? Kind of a tray thing. So anyways, I already have it outlined. So this is where I'm going to start. I'm going to start with this, and I'm just going to hot glue it because I don't think that I want to use heavy glue quite yet. Or I don't even think really it needs heavy glue. So I'm going to go ahead and just do it this way. And I put my setting on low to give me some time to, you know, get it straight. Hopefully I will have enough time. So I'm going to flip this over and just try to get it straight as I can. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these down, and they're going to go under here. So I'm going to have to do the backs as well as a little bit of the front. Try not to get burned. Now these beads I got at the dollar store, and they, you know, they're $1 per bag. They come with a lot. The mirror also came from the Dollar Tree. I just took off, it had a black rim, and I just took that off. And if you don't have a plate like this, you can easily, there's a million different ways you can do it. You don't need this to be able to do it. You can get some type of a bottom. This was originally what I was going to do. There's a lot of these beautiful candle holders available at the Dollar Tree, and you could also put this underneath instead if you don't have this. And you can also do this, the same thing I'm doing around, and it should hold with or without something like this, as long as you glue it in the right places. Now we got the first round, and now we just want to start on the second round, which is going to go like this. It's going to go in between each one. I'm using the lid, I think I'm just going to go ahead and put another row. So that's what I'm going to do, and if I ever do want to use the lid, I can always remove them. Okay, so I finished all of these beads, and now I was thinking, just for a little extra bling, I wanted to add these on there. Now these are self-adhesive, however, you should still use some glue. Okay, so now this is finished. And I actually have two more things that I want to work on. And they're pretty simple. I'm just going to bring them on over here. Now, I know that I said I'm not a big gold fan. However, I thought these were really pretty. I like these glasses. I've never seen them. They have this gold pretty rim. And, you know, these are for people who actually do like gold. I don't mind certain kind of golds if they're done the right way. So right here, I just want to make two gold candles. Well, these ones hopefully will be straight. Kind of playing with them, but we'll see. So what I'm going to do is start right here. One last thing, I also purchased this bath soak, and I thought these are bath seeds, and I thought they're really beautiful to use as a filler. So I'm going to go ahead and use these because I really like pink with gold. I think it looks really pretty, so that's what I'm going to use as a filler.